Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make satsumaimo no omiso shiru. It's sweet potato miso soup. Sweet, savory, and totally soul-warming. Just one sip and you will instantly like it. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this satsumaimo no omiso shiru, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Sweet potato, it's about 300 grams. 3 tablespoons of miso paste, any miso you like. 2 teaspoons of dashi, instant Japanese soup stock, and some green onion to garnish. As always, let's finish all the cutting first. So green onion. You can use chive instead. Cut the bottom off. Cut them into half, put them together. Into half, put them together. And just slice. I'm using it at the very end, so let's put it in a small bowl and set aside. Sweet potato. Cut both ends off just a little bit because it's dried. Cut it into half. Into half again. And slice. Same for the other one. Put sweet potato. Dashi, the soup stock. And 3 cups of water in the pot. Turn the heat on and let it simmer for about 10 minutes until sweet potato is nice and soft. Make sure you don't boil it. It will break the potato into 2 little pieces. Simmered for 10 minutes and it's well cooked. So it's time to add the miso paste. I'm using this miso strainer to dissolve miso. You can use tea strainer instead. Put the miso in the strainer, dunk it, and push it out. All dissolved and no chunky miso in your soup bowl. Turn the heat off and add the green onion. Give it a stir and it's done. Let's serve in the soup bowl. And sweet potato miso soup is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Let's have some soup first. You can sip it straight from the bowl. And sweet potato. It's so flavorful and comforting. Perfect for a cold winter day. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Satsumaimo no miso shiru goes here and plain rice here. Anything you like for the other dishes, but how about cabbage to buta no miso itame for the main, tamanegi to wakame no salada for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.